Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change profile picture in 8-Ball Pool. I was customizing my profile in 8-Ball Pool the other day and realized my profile picture was still the default one, which honestly doesn't say much about you when other players see it. So if you want to change yours, it's pretty simple once you know where to look. I open a game, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner, right next to where the club section is. That takes you to your player profile where all your stats and details are displayed. From there, look for the small pencil icon near your current avatar because that's the edit option. Once I tapped that, the game showed a bunch of different avatars and profile styles you can choose from. You can scroll through and pick whichever one fits your style, whether it's simple or something more fun. Some options even include stickers and chat pack icons, which can add a bit of personality to your profile. After selecting the one I like, I just tap Use, and a new profile picture updates instantly. It's a quick way to personalize your account so other players see something more unique when you're lining up your next shot. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.